Today, we'll be solving inequalities. Here is a given inequality. We have 2 times x plus 4 is greater than 36. Our first step would be to subtract 4 from both sides of the inequality. We have 4 minus 4, which gives us 0. And then we have 2 times x is greater than 36 minus 4 is 32. The next step would be to divide by 2, both sides. So we have x is greater than 32 divided by 2, which is 16. Meaning the solution for this inequality are those values greater than 16. And we can check this. We have 2 times 16 plus 4, and we got to check if that is greater than 36. And we notice that 2 times 16 is 32 plus 4, and we do know that that will not be true. So it has to be greater than 36. So a number that is greater than 36 is, let's say, 17. So we have 2 times 17 plus 4 is greater than 36. 2 times 17 will be 34, plus 4 is greater than 36, and we know that is true. And this will be false. So therefore, we need to do a number line to describe all the values that will make this true. So we're going to have an open circle here. Since 16 is not a solution, but it has to be any number that is greater than 16. So we're looking at numbers that are greater than 16 as being a solution for this inequality.